Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Store not working. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that I would recommend is to check your internet speed, because sometimes when your internet is not working correctly, the application won't open properly. So you can just go to the internet and then search up internet speed test. So I'm going to use this one, for example, speed test by Ookla. So once it's downloading, you're going to press continue over here. And then you're going to click on this button, which says go. So now we just need to wait a little bit. Speed test wants to know your location. Block, I don't want that. So we just wait a bit. Okay, so that's the download speed. Okay, 11 megabytes per second. And then the upload, 5.25, somewhere there. So yeah, make sure that you check your speed of your internet connection, because if it doesn't work correctly, then most likely your application won't even open. So now what you need to do is go to your Windows troubleshooter. So I'm going to click on the Windows icon here, and then I'm going to click on settings. Now you need to go to system. Then you're going to go to the right side and then scroll down a bit, and then look for something which says troubleshoot. Now from these options here, recommended troubleshooter preferences, recommended troubleshooter history, you're going to select other troubleshooters. So now we're going to look for Windows Store apps. So if you don't find it here, you're just going to type it here in the Find Settings search bar. Windows Store apps. So right here, find and fix problems with Windows Store apps. Now what you need to do is follow the on-screen instructions. So Windows Store apps, troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems. So now we're going to click on next. So you're just going to wait a bit, detecting problems. So now the third method, we need to run the run application. So you're going to go to the Windows icon over here and then the search bar, and you're going to type in run. So right there, run system, you're going to select that. So now here at the bottom, it says open app data. So now what you need to do is type in wsreset.exe and then press OK. Now the other method is to go to your settings again. So you're going to click on the Windows icon, then you're going to click on settings. Now after you're done doing so, you're going to go to the left side and look for something which says apps, and then go to installed apps. So now what you're going to do is scroll all the way down, and you're going to look for something which says system components. So now you're going to select Microsoft Store. So you're going to go to the right side and then select these three dots, and you're going to click on advanced options. So now you're going to scroll down and then look for the reset section. So under reset, if the system component isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The system's components data won't be affected. So you can click on repair or you can click on reset. Now, another solution that you can try doing is to go to your Windows Update and then try to search for updates. So here where this blue button is, it says check for updates, and then just click on it and then see if there are any updates for the Microsoft Store. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.